The archive feature is used to create a read-only copy of your data that you can access at any time. You can refer to records and transactions and also print reports. This is extremely useful if you need to reprint reports from a previous financial year, as you don't have to restore any backups. And this can be used to create an archive at any time, for example, before clearing your audit trail or deleting records. However, as it's read-only, you can't make any changes to any of the data in the archive. Let's have a look at how you create an archive in this software. So from the desktop, you open the Tools menu, go down to Period End, and then you have the Archive Company option. In the Archive Company window, it shows us the path to the archive. It's got a description and also an archive folder, which is based on the current financial year. It says mid-year. I'll click OK. And what it does, it takes a copy of my data. Now that's everything as it stands. It doesn't matter whether I've got future data transactions or transactions in a previous financial year. It's everything. It's a bit like taking a backup, but it takes a copy of it and leaves it on your computer. We just click OK and that's it done. To access an archive, open your File menu, click Open, and then choose Company Archive. All of the company archives you've created throughout the year or as part of your year ends are listed. So if we just select the one that we've just created, click Open, and then you're prompted to log in. So you must log into the company archive with the username and password that you used at the time the archive was created. When you're in an archive, it looks exactly the same as when you're in a live set of data. However, you can tell that you're in the archive by looking at the title bar, as it actually has Archive in front of the company name. When you created the archive, all of your records and transactions are archived. So all of the information that was in your live company at the time will be available. You can view records, activities, and also reprint reports. The data is for reference purposes only. If you do try and make any changes, get a message pop up saying this option is not available when working with an archive dataset. We can view the customer record, we can view the activity, see all the transactions. So it's a great resource if you need to reprint your year-end reports, as you can just access the archive company at any time, print them out, and you don't have to mess around restoring backups. To get back to your live company, there are two options. The first is to close out of the software, and when you next open Sage Accounts, you'll be able to access your live company in the usual way. Alternatively, go to File, Open, and then you should have an option to open your company data.